Imagine getting paid for sleeping or walking, activities that are natural to you. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be exploring 8 apps that can actually pay you for carrying out activities that come natural to you or that you have to do without compulsion, like sleeping, walking, browsing the internet, or even using your internet connectivity. The money you're going to be making from this app, which by the way is in dollars, may not be enough to retire you or get you to resign from your 9 to 5, but it can definitely earn you passive income that you can use to settle one or two bills. Now, most of these apps, you're going to be hearing about them for the first time, and you would almost always think that they never exist. So, when I mention anyone, kindly go to the comment section and type in new, just so I know that they are new to you. But if they are not new to you, type it in the comment section that they are not new to you, just so that I also know as well. So we're going to be exploring these apps without wasting much time. But before we go on, hi there. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome back. This is Smart Skills Hub TV. Here we talk about how to make money online and also a whole lot on digital marketing and advertising. Please do not leave watching this tutorial without subscribing to our channel and also turning on the notification bell so that you will become a part of our family and you won't miss out when we post similar and valuable videos just like this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back as always. Now let's dive into these 8 apps that can earn you passive income for doing literally nothing. So the first app that we're going to be looking at is called Sweatcoin. So this is Sweatcoin's website, and Sweatcoin is an app that pays you or rewards you for daily steps or exercises that you do, right? So it's a fun way to make cash on the side. So if you're hearing about this app for the first time, please go to the comment section and type in, I am hearing about this app for the first time, right? So now, one of the benefits for the app's owner is data. So knowing the amount of time you spend working or other activities you do is going to help them improve their algorithm and also be used as some sort of health research, while you can earn cash for sharing that information, right? So this is not harmful to you in any way. And they have really very good reviews on the app. But if you feel skeptical, I think you should also do a lot more research before you can actually commit your data. That the data you're going to be sharing with them is data about how much steps you've taken in a particular day, right? So you're going to be having to connect this app when you install it from either your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store. So it's actually compatible for both Android and Apple devices, right? So you'd have to install on your mobile phone and then connect it to a fitness tracker, right? Once you do that, your daily steps are going to be accumulating as points, and then you can, redeem these rewards as actual cash. Let's just go on to read more information on the website so that we can get more details. So here it says work and earn exclusive rewards. Every step counts, like literally. So they say they have over 180 million users globally, right? Like I told you, they have really very good reviews. So it means that people have been using this app. So before you actually go to Play Store to download the app, you might want to just check out the reviews on the app, and you would see that people have quite, good things to say about them. So it means that they are credible and people have been using it and enjoying it. Next app we're going to be looking at is called NApp. So NApp is an app that enables you to earn passive income while your devices are not in use. So what it simply means is that when you're not using your internet connectivity to browse the internet, they can actually use your unused data and pay you for it, right? So there are some times that you're not using your device to browse or chat with friends, or do any other thing with the internet. It's just lying there, and then your data connection is on. You can actually connect this app to as many devices as possible and actually earn money from your unused data connection, right? So it says earn passive income while your devices rest. So if this makes any sense to you, you can actually go on to read more about it and then download it, right? So the more devices you connect this app to, the more money you actually get to earn. Now, this app actually has 2 ways that you can make money. You can make money through referral
and you can make money through the passive income opportunity. So the passive income opportunity is the one we are looking at. So just in case you check out the app and you're coming across this referral income, don't be confused. The one you should actually be interested in is the passive income opportunity that allows you to earn money while your devices are not in use. If we scroll down, you're going to be seeing how much they pay per gigabyte that you actually share per day, right? So in Nigeria, you get to earn $0.1 per gigabyte that you share. Then the next app we're going to be looking at is called Cash Stars, right? So Cash Stars is an app that pays you to listen to music, like photos on Instagram, search for content on Google, and do other simple tasks. So here it says complete simple tasks and make easy money, right? So it's amazing how the internet actually affords us the ease of making money, right? So you won't actually know that these apps actually exist if I am not bringing them to you, right? If you appreciate that I'm bringing these opportunities to you, please not leave this tutorial without subscribing to our channel and also sharing this video with your friends so that they would also get to benefit from watching it as well. And as well, it is also a way of helping the YouTube algorithm show our video to more people, right? So now it says browse our never-ending list of tasks and make money by watching videos, playing games, completing offers, and more. Before you would actually get to, join Cash App, you need to join their priority list, right? So you would have to enter your name and your email address and then click on priority wait list, right? So this is actually just the website. So for you to be able to enjoy the full benefits of Cash Stars, you'd have to go and download the app from your Play Store. Now, the next app we're going to be looking at is called Packet Share. So Packet Share, just like NApp, actually lets you earn money from your unused data plans. I mean, before I started to do this research, I never knew that there were actually apps or platforms that can pay you, for your unused data. Sometimes this data is just on and it's not doing anything. Probably you're busy at work and your data is actually on, right? So you can actually earn money from those periods, right? So you can go on to read about Packet Share on their website and then go on to install it on your mobile phone, connect it to as many devices as possible, and start to earn money when your devices are not in use and also from your unused data. Now, they have frequently asked questions in case you have confusions here and there and you need clarity, right? So how to increase earnings? How does Packet Share work? Does using Packet Share affect my network or affect my playing games? Can I use Packet Share if I'm underage? And so on and so on. How much can I earn and all that? Now, at this point, I want to mention that most of these platforms actually pay you with PayPal, right? So that's the ones that you can actually withdraw your earnings, right? So after setting up your account, you might need to connect a PayPal account. And if you're in a country like Nigeria, where it's a bit difficult to get, a PayPal account, you might just want to go over and beyond because there are many people in Nigeria who have PayPal accounts, right? Although I believe that they also have alternative means of payment. But at this point, in your online journey, you would have to just try to get a PayPal account because it is becoming increasingly important. Because even if you're a freelancer, you would need a way to get funds from your international clients, right? So here it says, how much can I earn per 1 gigabyte? So let's check this out. So it says Packet Share will pay you $0.20 for every 1 gigabyte of shared internet. So this is actually a bit different from NApp that pays you, I guess, let's check. So NApp actually pays you $0.1 per gigabyte, right? So you can just explore your options and then decide which one you actually want to go with. All right, so the next app we're going to be looking at, it's called RAGP Africa. So RAGP Africa is available in several African countries and also in many European countries, right? So RAGP Africa is a platform that rewards you for your airtime, your data, and other bills transacted on the platform, right? So data and airtime are services we can't do with every day because for you to come to the internet, of course, you need data. And to stay connected to your friends and family, you need airtime. So imagine having to accumulate real money each time you make these purchases, and you can even withdraw it. So the good thing is that you can sign up to the platform for free and start earning commission from your transactions. But you can only join their affiliate program when you sign up as a premium member. So let's explore RAGP Africa by logging in to my account. So this is my account dashboard, and you can see that here you can recharge, that you can buy airtime or data, you can pay bills, you can also pay for educational services, and then they also have other services like electricity bills and all of those, right? And this RAGP Social is an upcoming feature that will soon be introduced. RAGP Africa is a fintech brand, just like your OPay and your Money Points, and they have achieved a whole lot even in the short while that they launched operations. I'm going to be leaving my affiliate link in the description of this video so that if you're interested, you can go on to sign up for your own account. You can actually sign up for free, but then if you want to start earning referral bonuses from people, you would have to select a premium package, right? So they have different premium package options that you can choose from, ranging from 5,000 if you're a Nigerian, and above, right? So one good thing about this platform also is that you can also earn in dollars by doing international top-ups for, people outside your country of residence, right? So say, for instance, you're a Nigerian, you can actually earn money in dollars by selling data and airtime for people who live in the abroad, like Canada, and other, European countries, right? Then the next app on my list, which is actually the sixth app, is the Maadam app, right? So if you come to Google and you type the Maadam app, Google is going to be using their generative AI to give you more information about the Maadam app. I mean, that even makes it a credible platform, right? For Google to actually know about it. So the Maadam app is a free app that turns physical activity into money. So it automatically detects when you're walking, running, or using a wearable device to track your activity. So here is what the app does. So the app tracks activity. So it uses your phone step counter or connected watch to track your steps, calories burned, and distance walks, right? So it also rewards this activity. So it earns you virtual coins for every step you take, which can be converted into real money, right? And then spends coins. So you can spend coins with Maadam partners or transfer them to your bank account, right? So let's check out the Maadam website. This is how the Maadam website looks like. And at the top, it's prompting you with a button to download the app. So these are all the platforms we talked about. They are actually apps that has to be installed on your mobile device, right? So you would have to download the app to actually get all the full benefits, right? So I'm not certain if it's because of my network that it's not loading fully, but you can also check out the website for yourself and then get to read more information about it. But then Google's generative AI has given us much of the information that we need, about the Maadam app. So it's just like the others that we've talked about. It pays you for activities that you will normally do on a daily basis without compulsion, like walking, running, jogging, and other activities like that, right? Then the seventh app on my list is called FitMint. So FitMint is also similar to Maadam app, and it pays you for running and walking, and they pay you in cryptocurrency. I mean, this is amazing, right? So you can check out the FitMint app and get to install it on your mobile device, and then get to connect it to either your fitness tracker, or if you have a fitness device, you can also connect it to it, or you can use a fitness app. Like there are some of these apps that I've mentioned that actually pays you for physical activities. You can use other apps that also helps to track physical activities. Like if you use an Apple device, you know that there is something called Apple Health. It's also a fitness tracker that helps to track your steps. So you can actually connect this fitness tracker to apps like Maadam, and then it helps to garner your points. So once you've accumulated these points to some certain extent, you can now convert it into cash. All right. The last and the eighth app that we're going to be looking at is called HoneyGain. So HoneyGain works just like the others we talked about, right? So here you can monetize your internet connection. And it says join over 60 million user community and make money online by simply sharing your internet connection. You can actually get a $3 bonus with code, right? So you can go on to explore the HoneyGain app and claim your first $3 gift in 3 easy steps. So it says you would have to install the app, register to HoneyGain, and then share traffic and get paid. So share your traffic and get paid and get ready for your first payout, right? So it goes on and on. So it says you can earn up to $30 in a month passively, just by sharing your unused data connection. So let me also mention a bonus app that also does the same thing as HoneyGain and NApp and the other ones I've talked about, and it's called Generate, right? So Generate also pays you for your unused data connection, right? So this is the Generate app, and you can make your data work for you. So I love the way that the copy on this Generate is structured, because even though it does similar things to what this other app does, but it's better when you read through the copy of this landing page, it better captures, the benefits that you're going to be deriving from sharing your data. So if you scroll further down, you see where it says it's time for a change. Everything you do online is being tracked. So thousands of companies collect and sell your data. Everyone's earning from your data except you. So it says generate changes this. So how to earn from your data, blah, 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 blah. So you can just go on to read, all of this information. And then when you're satisfied, you can go on to install the app from your Play Store and start to earn passively from your data, just like they've stated here.
Welcome back. Now let's make this fun. So which of these apps do you like the most? Is it the one that would make you money for walking, or the ones that would make you money for sharing your unused data connectivity? Any of them you get to choose can actually potentially earn you passive income, which is money that you actually earn for not actively participating in any activity. I wish you all the best as you go on to research more on these apps, explore them, and go on to use them to earn passive income for yourself. Don't forget to engage in the comment section, like this video, share it to your network, and also subscribe to our channel if you're yet to do that. And I will see you in subsequent tutorials. And by the way, I am recording this video on the eve of Christmas, so this is me wishing you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye for now.